Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Print Practical. Today it's going to be a quick video. I just recently changed around my office and I put my computer on the ground. And on the bottom of my computer has a grate for a fan for the power supply. And now that it's sitting on the carpet, I don't want to block that. So I'm going to make little risers for the computer to sit on, and then we'll be good to go. And this is why it's so nice having a glass bed. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. No prying. Okay, so we have the feet installed. The feet fit perfectly. Leaves a nice gap under the computer so it can cool properly. So, that was a quick one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and I'll have more content.